Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the process of mitosis and meiosis. First one is the mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division where the two daughter cells are produced and that are exactly similar to the parent cell. Cell having the same number of the chromosomes as the parent cell. Mitosis occurs in the whole body cells except the germ cell and the neuron cell. It is also known as an equational division. Mitosis occurs in the two types of the stages. First one is the karyokinesis, second one is the cytokinesis. First one is the karyokinesis. It is the process of nuclear division. It occurs in the four phases. First one is the prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. First one is the prophase. In the prophase, chromatin fiber convert from the chromosomes in which two sister chromatids attach together at the centrosomes. The centromes that replicate in the S phase moves towards the opposite pole of the cell and started to form mitotic spindle or the spindle fiber. In late prophase, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum and other cell organelles started disappearing. Next one is the metaphase. In the metaphase, during the metaphase, nuclear envelope is completely disintegrated. The spindle fiber of the centromes ally the centromers of the sister chromatids at the center of the cell. Next one is the anaphase. In the anaphase, the centromer splits and the two sister chromatids get separated and it moves towards the opposite pole of the cell. Once separated, chromatids again term as a chromosome. Next one is the telophase. Now, in this phase, the daughter chromosomes reach the opposite poles and spindle fiber gets disappear. Chromosomes again started converting into chromatin fibers. Next one is the cytokinase. It is the division of the cell cytoplasm and organelles in the newly formed cells. Each new daughter cell now again enter into the interphase stage and cell division continues. Second one is the meiosis. Meiosis is the type of cell division in which produce the four daughter cells. It also called reproductive cell division. Reproductive cell division or meiosis is the type of the cell division whether the daughter cell receive only half chromosome of the parental cell. Then meiosis occurs in the germ cell or sex cells. Reproductive cells found in the male gonad testes and female gonads ovaries to form gametes. It is also known as a reduction division. Meiosis occurs in two successive stages. First one is the meiosis first, second one is the meiosis second. Meiosis first, it consists of four phases. First one is the prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, telophase first. First one is the prophase first. In prophase first, firstly chromatin fiber condense or converted to the form chromosome. These chromosomes exist in a pair called homologous chromosome pair. In the last step of the prophase first, this is an exchange of the DNA, that is genetic material, between the parental chromosome for genetic recombination. Next one is the metaphase first. In the metaphase first, the spindle fiber of the centromes align the homogeneous chromosome at the center of the cell. Next one is the anaphase first. In the anaphase first, the homogeneous chromosome gets separated and move towards the opposite pole of the cell. Next one is the telophase first. A nuclear membrane forms around each homologous chromosome. The spindle fiber get disappear and by the process by cytokinesis, two new haploid cell forms. Second one is the meiosis second. The two new daughter cells that forms in the meiosis first immediately enter into the meiosis second. It also includes the four stages: prophase second, metaphase second, anaphase second, telophase second. First one is the prophase second. In a prophase second, nuclear membrane of newly formed daughter cells again started disappearing and centrosomes form mitotic spindle. Next one is the metaphase second. In the metaphase second, the spindle fibers of the centromes ally with the chromosome at the center of the cell. Next one is the anaphase second. The centromers splits and the system chromatids separate and move towards the opposite pole of the cell. Next one is the telophase second. The spindle fiber disappear and a new nuclear membrane forms around the separated chromatids. And by the process of the cytokinesis, we get 4 new haploid cells. all about the process of the mitosis and meiosis. Thank you.